A good buddy film made in Australia. This film came out in 2007. It just missed out on VHS. This DVD would look much better in a VHS box. It just missed out on being on VHS because it came out in 2007 when DVDs took over the world. Alright, might as well show it now. Hang on, let's go onto my channel. Got the tray there. Hang on, just wait a minute, hang on. Good baddie film made in Australia anyway. I'm trying to do a baddie movie review here. I'm trying my best anyway. I'm trying my best. Now, where is it? Here it is. That's the films I showed before, or the Australian films. Got them on my list. That's where I can get them quicker. Just find them. Yep. Here it is. Good film. Made in Australia, god damn it.
We've been going in circles. We can float, we can walk, I'm cold and I'm tired now.
And there's nothing we can do about it. We were just out boating and we got lost. We saw your light.
You thought you'd make yourself at home. You fucked about in the water. Treat yourself to our private fucking property, and then you bitch and moan because we ain't got a fucking phone.
We've got to get out of this house. Will not let us go.
You fucking truck!
My father said to me once, to catch a mad dog, you must think like a mad dog.
Good baddie film, people. Good film, what can I say? Trying to do a very good movie and review here. Yeah, that's over. Yeah, now it's time to show the DVD cover. It's not VHS, it just missed out on VHS. This would look much better in a VHS box instead of a DVD box. Well, DVDs took over the world. DVDs first and then Blu-rays, then 4K bullshit. What's the point of having 4K shit anyway? Blu-rays are just as good enough, and DVDs to me, yeah. And I must have shown this baddie DVD. It's a good baddie film, though, this one. People out there, see it. Read the story to it. That's my review here. It's right there. You can read it for yourself. That was save me talking about the baddie thing. Yep. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Who cares anyway? I'm not going to pay for it, because I'm not getting paid to baddie put things on YouTube anyway. Oh shit! Not on my baddie keyboard. Shit. Oh baddie hell. I might as well put the DVD, the Blu-ray machine and the Blu-ray DVD machine. Yeah, might as well. Yeah, there it goes.
We all love seeing a good Aussie film, but with film piracy now costing $230 million a year, expect to see a lot less. Burning, buying or downloading pirated films may seem harmless, but what you're really burning is the future of Australian films.
Right, people are here. No, right, people, Australia, don't burn films, right? Don't burn them, goddammit. Well, hurry up. This is what I hate about DVDs. It takes a while just to get to the film. All this bullshit. There it is, the menu. Might as well go to bonus. Here it is here.
Had me a missus once. Not a classy unit like yourself. Opened up her throat and bled her like a pig. Hung her out there in the shed for a month. Christ, what a stink. I had to put her through the mulcher in the end.
Pretty crazy.
You know why I stuck her? I guess I just didn't want to see her suffer like all the others.
Bloody hell. Not a very nice person, eh, people? Not a very nice person at all, eh? Very angry soul. Now, which part? Hang on. Just, press pause for it.
Okay, what we're gonna do for him in the morning?
But look at him. He's nuts, isn't he?
Give me a drink.
Good film, people. Good buddy film.
Honky will be back in a minute.
Honky's dog.
Kid just outside the door. You want to be real careful going outside.
He's talking about his dog. It's real mean, like them. Bloody hell. Not very nice family, aren't they? Very nice family. Bloody hell.
Let's just forget about all the butt just gone down the fucking toilet. You know I've got prior convictions. I get picked up for this and I'm fucked. And if I'm fucked, you're double fucked. Because you two will starve like a pair of orphan puppies. Wouldn't you? Hey? Yes, Bobby. Oh, yeah, Bobby. Have a look at this. Me two sons. Christ fucking mighty.
So what are we gonna do about it, Paul?
What do you fucking reckon?
Bloody hell, not very nice people, aren't they, people out there? Good film made here in Australia, anyway. Now it's time to show a DVD in the mirror this time. No, that doesn't work as good as VHS Betamax or Betamax in the mirror. Yeah, this just missed out of being on VHS. It just missed out by a year. 2007 this film came out when the DVD, when Betty VHS faded away. Well, the end, people, the end. Good Betty film made here in Australia, in Victoria, Australia, I mean. Well, people. Very end. Read that first. Well, people. The end. The end. Ah!